This is Laser Pecker, the world's smallest smart portable laser engraver. Start from scratch. Automatic lifting and focusing. It can determine the height of the object accurately and engrave precisely. Laser Pecker can copy your sketch to make it work on your desktop. Choose a favorite photo and connect to your smartphone or tablet and start engraving immediately. There are no restrictions on Laser Pecker. Record your ideas at any time, anywhere, with any pattern and style. Exclusive foldable protective cover. Provides better protection and using experience. You can also use it to cut out the model from cardboard or blanket. With Laser Pecker, you can decorate your home or even your loved ones. Make the ordinary day become extraordinary. Personalize your item. Draw and engrave on craft cardboard, wood, leather, and many other materials with so many different applications. It is also suitable for expanding tripods. Carve any place that belongs to you. Laser Pecker is compact and portable. It can be lifted, folded, and stored fast. You can take it anywhere. It's easy to get Laser Pecker ready to work. Laser engraving is as simple as having a cup of coffee. Realize all your imaginations with Laser Pecker.
What if everything you know about keeping your healthy diet packable is wrong? Not truly modular, nor ergonomic, nor cool, just plain wrong. Eating healthy shouldn't be hard work. Meet Fold Eat, the lunchbox that unfolds into an eating mat. So you can serve your meal anytime, anywhere. Just pull one zipper and you'll have your table set no matter where you are. At the office, in the park, or a romantic dinner. We'd rather have you not eat like this. One significant advantage of Fold Eat is its ability to be, spell it with us, modular. A regular day at work, pack it small and make it compact. Just one or maybe two containers. Bulking up for the gym, maybe 3 will suit your needs. Long day ahead, easily pack up to 4. And, of course, you can carry it or not carry it. Plus, the mat is reversible, so you have 2 styles in one. An insulation layer inserted between the faces keeps the temperature steady. Magnetic bands hold the dips and cutlery in place. And when things get messy, simply throw it in the washing machine. Now, let's talk containers. We don't believe in awkward shapes. We design them to be fair and square. 6.5 wide by 2 inches tall, so you can fit them for less, for more, and for all. Liquids? When it comes to liquids, there is nothing safer than a screw cap. That's why we have a container just for that, with extra foam installation. Because your support is essential for us at this stage, all Kickstarter backers will have a free liquid container included. But wait, there's more. Containers come with a food separator, so you can easily portion your meals. When needed, custom gel packs fit between containers, cooling both of them. Fold Eat's holding ring can keep you entertained. So yes, Fold Eat has it all. Packing and eating on the go will be so simple, you'll even be able to keep up with your New Year's resolution diet. Back Fold Eat now and make it your essential tool for a healthier lifestyle.
What is the power of a bee? Nothing. A bee alone is powerless. It's lost. On the internet, we are no different. Without collaboration, we are limited. Take the cloud. It's great to store and share our files, but on the cloud, we are lost inside someone else's data center. We don't own our data anymore. Remember? We all found free gigabytes seducing at the start, but the day you run out of space, how do you feel about paying every single month for the rest of your life? This is the truth. The cloud today is nothing but massive server farms that will keep milking our data and draining the energy of our planet. Unless we realize that safety is not on this cloud, safety is in numbers, and you can count on a whole swarm by your side. Cubit is the world's first distributed cloud where collaboration puts the users in power. Together, we can shape the cloud as it should always have been. Green, forever free, encrypted by design. Because privacy is a fundamental right, not a premium feature. So, what is the power of a bee? Come beyond the cloud and see. Join the swarm.
Meet MagEasy, the world's first everyday essentials carrying and organizing kit. With the board, the folio, and the magnetic modules, MagEasy helps you easily organize, rearrange, and transport most used items. The board, it's a desktop organizer. You can put note, scissors, earphones, keys, pencil, even a phone into a vertical display. Keep your desktop neat and organized, and still have quick access to your stuff. The board can be folded up like a paper and easily stored in any drawer. The folio, it's a transportation organizer to simplify your daily out-the-door routine. Store all your everyday necessities, drafts, passport, wallet, Metro card on the go. And you can slip it into the bag for an orderly and safe transition. The best part? All the magnetic modules can be used separately. As a cable tie, a business card case, a fridge magnet, and more. MagEasy helps you stay organized, productive, and achieve more in life.
Do you ever feel like your house just can't get clean enough? Breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now, I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well, and you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times, you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then, I found Higher TAB Tablet. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner.
TAB Tablet has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again.
That's not all it cleans.
TAB Tablet has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard to reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tablet app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tablet has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tablet really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Higher TAB is an online company that is part of the Higher Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tablet over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.